Hello everyone and welcome to another video lecture of our MOOC on generative AI for everyday life. Today's lecture is titled Instagram, X and Generative AI Revolution. In this session, we will explore how generative AI is transforming the way we use social media platforms like Instagram and X, formerly known as Twitter. From creating engaging content to enhancing audience interactions and optimizing marketing strategies, generative AI is reshaping the social media landscape in exciting ways. Whether you are a content creator, a marketer, or simply someone curious about the interactions of AI and social media, this lecture will provide you with practical insights and tools to leverage generative AI effectively. By the end of this session, you will walk away with actionable strategies and a deeper understanding of how generative AI is revolutionizing Instagram and X. So let's dive into the world of generative AI and discover how it's making social media smarter, more creative, and more personalized. Let's start with a quick introduction to set the stage for today's discussion. Instagram and X are two of the most dynamic and influential social media platforms today. Instagram, with its focus on visuals, is a hub for creators, influencers, and businesses, while X remains a powerful platform, real time conversation, news, and public discourse. But what's truly transforming this platform is the integration of generative AI. Generative AI refers to an artificial intelligence systems that can create new content, whether it's text, images, audio, or even video, based on the data they have been trained on. This technology is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here and it's already making a significant impact on how we create, share, and engage on social media. In this lecture, we will focus on how generative AI is being used for content creation, audience engagement, marketing strategies, and user experiences on Instagram and X. We will explore practical examples of free generative AI tools that you can start using today to enhance your social media presence. So why does this matter? Well, social media is no longer just about posting photos or tweeting thoughts. It's about leveraging cutting-edge technology, connect with audience in smarter and more creative ways. Whether you are a business looking to optimize your campaigns, a creator aiming to grow your following, or a user seeking a more personalized experience, understanding generative AI is key to staying ahead in the social media game. Now, let's move on the learning objectives to give you a clear roadmap of what we will cover today. Before we dive into the details, let's outline the key learning objectives for today's lecture. By the end of this session, you will first understand how generative AI is used for content creation on Instagram and X. We will explore and how AI can help you generate captions, design visuals, and create engaging posts, all with minimal effort. Second, learn how generative AI enhances audience engagement and marketing strategies. We will look at how AI tools can help you connect with your audience in more meaningful ways, analyze feedback, and optimize your campaigns for better results. Third, explore practical examples of generative AI in actions. You will see how AI is being used to create content, engage audience, and improve user experience on these platforms. And finally, we will discuss the ethical consideration of using generative AI on social media. While these tools are powerful, they come with responsibilities like ensuring data privacy, avoiding bias, and preventing the spread of misinformation. These objectives will guide our discussion and ensure you walk away with practical and actionable insights. Now, let's jump into the first topic, generative AI for content creation. Let's dive into the first topic.
generative AI for content creation. Content is the backbone of social media, and AI is making it easier than ever to create high quality, engaging posts. To show you how this works, I will walk you through a live demonstration. First, let's look at how AI can help you generate captions for your Instagram posts. Imagine you are posting a photo of a sunset at a beach. Instead of spending time brainstorming, you can use an AI tool to create multiple caption options in seconds. So let's write a prompt like this, that write a creative Instagram caption for a sunset photo at the beach. As you can see, this saves time and ensure your captions are creative and engaging. Now, let's explore how AI can help you design visuals. For instance, you are creating a post about a new product launch. You can use an AI tool to generate custom graphics. So this time, let's write the prompt like this, that create a modern and minimalistic design for a social media post about eco-friendly water bottles. So let's see what it generates. So here you can see the output. It has asked that would you like a sample image of the design? If I put yes, let's see what it generates. You can see that it is generating an image for me. Yes, you can see. So you can see that with AI, you don't need to be designer to create professional looking visuals. Now you can combine the caption and visuals we generate from this generative AI into a cohesive Instagram post. Now that we have covered content creation, let's move on to the next critical area, generative AI for audience engagement. Engaging your audience is key to building a loyal following, and AI can help you do this more effectively. To show you how this works, I will walk you through a live demonstration. First, let's look at how AI can help you respond audience comments and messages in a personalized way. For example, if someone comments on your Instagram post or tweets at you on X, you can use an AI tool to craft thoughtful and engaging replies. Let's type a prompt like this. Write a friendly and engaging response to a comment that says, I love this post. How can I learn more about this product? Let's see what is response. You can see that this is not only saves time but also ensures your responses are thoughtful and engaging. Now let's explore how AI can help you create interactive polls to engage your audience. Polls are a great way to gather feedback and encourage participation. This time, let's write this prompt like this, that create a poll question about audience preference for content types, tutorials behind the scenes, or Q&A sessions. See, these tools make it easy to create engaging polls that encourages audience attention or audience interaction. Finally, let us see how AI can enhance your stories with immersive filters. For example, you can use an AI-powered filter to add animated effect to your Instagram stories for making them more engaging and fun. So let's try it out. So first, We will open Instagram, go to the stories, and there we can find AI images where we can see the Meta AI, the generative AI features under Instagram and Facebook. So let's write a prompt like this: create a animated image of an eco-friendly water bottle made from bamboo or recycled steel or biodegradable plastic. Let's see what is generated first. Okay, you can see that it has generated few sets of pictures that you can use to promote your product in your Instagram stories for better audience engagement and marketing. So these filters not only enhance creativity but also make your content more interactive and shareable. Let's now turn our attention to generative AI for marketing strategies. In today's competitive social media landscape, business and creators need to be smarter and more strategic with their marketing efforts. Generative AI is playing a pivotal role in making this possible, offering tools that optimize campaigns, predict outcomes, and deliver better results. First, let's look at ChatGPT for generating ad copy. Writing compelling ad copy can be challenging, but ChatGPT makes it easier. For example, if you are promoting a new product on Instagram, you can ask ChatGPT, write a catchy ad caption for a new line of eco-friendly water bottles. Let's see how it works. As you can see, tools ensures your ads are engaging and tailored to your audience. The same caption generating features can be used for X or Twitter also. Next, let's explore generative AI tool that create images for text prompts. For instance, you can input a prompt like modern kitchen with eco-friendly water bottles on the counter. Let's see what it generates. As you can see, this tool is perfect for creating eye-catching visuals that stand out in crowded feed. And you can use these images for your marketing, whatever social media you are using, which might be Instagram or X. Finally, let's talk about HubSpot's free email writer. Email marketing is still a powerful tool, and HubSpot's AI can help you crafting compelling emails. For example, you can ask it to write a promotional email for your new product launch. Let's see how this works. So as you can see, this is the HubSpot web page. You need to create an account first. I will try the marketing email. So it is asking what is your marketing email is about. So I will write here, write a promotional email for your launch that is a friendly water bottle. So This is now asking about what are your key selling points. Let us now put the key selling points. Co-friendly, then low cost, and really available. Let's put these three things and check what is by now. Now it is going to create a email for us. As you can see, it has created beautiful email for our marketing, email marketing, and we can just copy it from here and send it to our customers. This tool saves time and ensures your emails are professional and engaging.
Let's take a moment to recap what we have covered in today's lecture. We explored how generative AI is transforming Instagram and X, making these platforms smarter, more creative, and more personalized. First, we looked at how generative AI is revolutionizing content creation. By using AI tools, creators can generate captions, design visuals, and craft engaging posts with minimal effort. These tools empower users to produce high quality content quickly, saving time while maintaining creativity. Next, we discuss how generative AI enhances audience engagement. AI-powered tools enable creators to interact with their audience in more meaningful ways, from personalized responses to interactive polls and immersive filters. These features help build stronger connection and foster community engagement. We also explored how generative AI is shaping marketing strategies. Businesses can leverage AI to create compelling ad copy, design eye catching visuals, and optimize campaigns for better results. This allows marketers to reach their target audience more effectively and drive engagement. In summary, generative AI is revolutionizing Instagram and X, offering new opportunities for creators, marketers, and users alike. Now, let's move on to the ethical consideration of using these powerful tools responsibly. As we embrace the power of generative AI, it's crucial to address the ethical consideration that come with using these tools. While generative AI offers incredible opportunities, it also raises important questions about responsibility, fairness, and transparency. First, let's talk about data privacy. Many generative AI tools rely on users' data to function effectively. For example, Instagram's algorithm analyzes your behavior to show you personalized content. While this enhances your experience, it also means your data is being collected and used. As creators and marketers, we must ensure that we are transparent with our audiences about how their data is being used and obtain their consent where necessary. Second, there is the issue of bias in AI algorithms. Generative AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data contains biases, the AI will reflect those biases. For instance, an AI tool used for sentiment analysis might misinterpret certain phrases of cultural nuances, leading to inaccurate results. It's crucial to be aware of these limitations and strive for fairness in how we use AI tools. Third, we need to address the challenges of misinformation and deepfake. Generative AI tools can create highly realistic content, including text, images, and videos. While these can be used for creative purposes, it can also be misused to spread fake information to create deceptive content. As users and creators, we have a responsibility to verify the authenticity of the content we share, and avoid contributing to the spread of misinformation. Finally, let's not forget about the accessibility and inclusivity. While generative AI tools are making social media more accessible, not all tools are designed with inclusivity in mind. We must advocate for the support of the development of AI technologies that serve everyone, regardless of their abilities or backgrounds. In summary, while generative AI tools offer incredible opportunities, they also come with ethical responsibilities. By using these tools thoughtfully and transparently, we can harness their power while minimizing potential harms. Now, let's wrap up with some final thoughts in the conclusion. As we wrap up today's lecture, let's take a moment to reflect on the bigger picture. Generative AI is not just a set of tools, it's a transformational force that's reshaping how you interact with social media platforms like Instagram and X. We have seen how generative AI can help you create captive contents, engage your audience in meaningful ways, and optimize your marketing strategies, all while enhancing the overall user experience. But beyond the technical capabilities, what truly exciting is the opportunity these tools provide. They empower creators, businesses, and users to achieve more with less effort, breaking down barriers and democratizing access to powerful technologies. However, as we embrace these advancements, it's important to remember that with great power comes with great responsibility. We have discussed the ethical considerations, data privacy, algorithm bias, misinformation, and inclusivity, and how they shape the way we use generative AI. By staying informed and mindful, we can ensure that these tools are used to create positive, meaningful, and inclusive experiences for everyone. So, what's next? I encourage you to start experimenting with generative AI tools we have discussed today. Whether it's generating captions, designing visuals, or personalizing your social media experience, take the first step and see how these tools can work for you. By exploring their capabilities, you can unlock new ways to create, engage, and grow your presence on platforms like Instagram and X. Remember, the future of social media is being shaped by generative AI, and you have the opportunity to be part of this revolution. Stay curious, stay creative, and most importantly, stay ethical in your use of these powerful tools. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this lecture has inspired you to explore the possibilities of generative AI.